Hey there, everyone. How are you doing this afternoon? So, apparently, there's been some news about taxes going up. In the last couple of hours, I've had 5 or 6 people reach out to me on Instagram, one rental at a time, or leave comments on my YouTube channel about Mr. President Joe Biden potentially raising the capital gains tax to over 39%. People are asking what my thoughts are. Well, I guess I have a couple of thoughts. And again, these are just mine. I haven't really thought about this in depth. But first and foremost, is anybody surprised? We have been printing money, we have been giving away money. It needs to at least pretend to be paid for. And in our current system, taxes are how all of these giveaways are supposed to be paid for. So no, I am not shocked that capital gains tax is being positioned to go up. I think lots of taxes are going to go up. I think there's a fair chance that most of us will see higher taxes throughout the upcoming years. Now, that doesn't mean income taxes only. You and I pay taxes in lots of different ways. Obviously, we've talked about capital gains. There's income tax, there's property tax, there's sales tax, there's consumption tax and gasoline and cigarettes and all of these things. We have been giving away trillions of dollars, and at some point, we've got to at least pretend to pay the bill, or at least the interest on the bill. So taxes are going up. I'm not surprised. Part of me shocked it's not higher. I mean, geez. But then I think about, okay, capital gains. And I kind of think about the assets that I have invested in the last 30 to 40 years. And here are my thoughts. First off, stocks. Again, stocks, individual stocks, ETFs, index funds, mutual funds. Really money outside your 401k, right? This is your trading account. It could definitely impact stocks. There are some stocks, and we all know them, that have had amazing runs. Many investors are sitting on 7-figure profits, and they may look at this situation and say, I'm going to sell now, this calendar year, so I can keep a little more, right? Some people may have been thinking about that, right? If you're a long-term holder and you're going to hold for decades, these changes, while annoying, probably don't really impact you. But some of you are traders. Some of you are looking at this going, and again, I'll pick on Tesla, right? It's gone from, I think it went from like 96 to 900 at the peak. I think it's at 720 or something today. Some of you are sitting on 600% gains. And you're looking at that. Maybe you're in the state of California. Maybe you're in the state of New York. When you add state taxes on top of federal taxes, you could potentially lose 50% of your gain. That hurts. That's 50%. So some of you are undoubtedly in stocks going, better to get out now than get out later. I think that same logic holds for crypto. If you are a crypto trader or investor and you are sitting on 3, 4, 5, 10,000% gains, and you're like, I could take my profit now or maybe take it later. I think some of you in the crypto space will cash out. I think stocks cash out the most. Crypto really depends on what your time frame is. Right? If you're, the type that's going to hold it for decades, again, this tax change really doesn't matter to you. It's, again, annoying. But if you had a 10-year thesis, this doesn't change that, in my opinion. But now, buy and hold real estate. I've told you many times, when I look to buy something, my intention is to hold it forever. Does a 39% capital gains tax affect that? Not really, right? My exit strategy is to die, right? Hopefully in 50, 60, 70 years, but there is no capital gains, right? I live off the rental income. So again, while annoying and while, I don't know, just annoying, I don't think the capital gains tax hurts buy and hold investors. Then again, with real estate, unlike stocks or crypto, let's just say I bought a house 10 years ago. I bought it for 100, now it's worth 200, and I wanted to go and get some cash. I can go get a loan, right? I can go do a cash out refi, I can do a rate and term, I can do lots of different things. So by being a buy and hold investor and I needed money, I could get a loan. Loans are non-taxable. So I think what happens with this 39 point whatever it is raised to capital gains, real estate doesn't transact as much. It just doesn't. They'll just hold. Why sell? Many people who've held their properties for decades have a cost basis of zero. Let's say they bought it for 500, it's worth $1 million, they've depreciated it to zero. They could, in theory, if they're in California or New York, pay $500,000 or half of their sale to taxes. They are not selling. They are not going to sell. So again, what is going to happen with this 39% capital gains tax is I think it impacts stocks the most. I think there's some impact on crypto on the margins. And I don't really think it hurts buy and hold investors all that much. We just hold longer. We go get new debt. We go get cash out refis. It probably or certainly may hurt people that want to hold for a year or two. But if you're holding for less than a year, right? If you are a flipper, for example, you're not paying capital gains anyway. It's ordinary income. So this doesn't impact you. So again, I don't think this 39% increase impacts my business much, if at all. It just validates that I will just hold forever because I have no intentions, because I do live in the state of California, of seeing 50% of my gain being taxed. No thanks. I will just hold going forward. So that's what I'm thinking. Again, get into the buy and hold business. I did complete my interview with John Burns Consulting, Investor Mania 2.0. It goes out at 6 o'clock tonight. You are going to want to watch it. Kind of netted out. Lots of people are coming. Competition is up, but there is plenty of places where mom and pop investors can get started, get cash flow, and let the appreciation that Rick and I see coming help you. So I hope you enjoy this live stream, this just stream of consciousness. Look for the interview at 6 o'clock Pacific. And there is another interview with Jonathan Twombly coming at 4 p.m. Pacific. So have a wonderful day. Take care. See you tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Daily Financial News. Bye-bye.